Hello, everybody over at Mr. Sparky Electric. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I wanted to send you guys this custom video over showing how you guys can continually stay at the top spot in the Google rankings for the Kansas City, Missouri area. There's a few tricks up my sleeve that I see you guys are missing out on that I wanted to send your way, give your guys' marketing company or even yourselves, if you guys do it in-house, a few little tricks to stay at the top. So, first things first, we have your guys' website, right? Great looking website. It's super user friendly. All your click to calls seem to work. A few of the things that I tried right off the bat was saving your guys' images. This is one neat little trick in order to add extra keywords right here. So your logo, there's nothing wrong with it saying Mr. Sparky logo, but I would maybe save it as a keyword for just your guys' name, as well as everything else, right? So let's use something like one of these icons, for example, right? If we click Save Image As here as well, this comes back as Mr. Sparky's icons. When maybe we want to be saving that as, let's see your competition here. Instead of saving as Mr. Sparky icon, let's see what maybe your competition's using that you guys don't currently have. Obviously, we'd have to go back and forth to figure out if you guys had it for sure. Electrical questions. Why not? Let's say right here. We are Kansas City Electric. Let's save this as electrical electrical questions. We could say the next one is local electricians, or even this one would be a great example, right? This guy right here. We'll save this image as, again, it's not saved. Why not save that as local electricians? That's going to jam you guys some more keywords into your homepage and all across your website and get you even more search volume for your guys' name. Not to mention, see, you guys have 1.4 thousand backlinks on your website currently, and you're losing 100 of those. So that tells me that maybe you guys had some bad ones. That's not necessarily the answer. They could be old ones. But we have your competition who is just short behind you guys over at Jeremy Electrical is what their name is. I think they're at 2.5 or 2.5 thousand backlinks. We definitely want to go in there and figure out what backlinks that these guys are targeting that you guys don't have as well. Same to our, with our keywords. That way we can make sure that you guys get to that 2.4 or 2.5 thousand keywords that they have, or backlinks that they have, 2-3 backlinks that they have, and then start going above and beyond. So definitely putting some more investment into your guys' SEO is going to be huge. Not to mention, I've seen you guys are already running Google guaranteed ads. That's phenomenal. None of my business, but if I was you, I would definitely recommend checking to see what your guys' click-through rate on this is. That way you're making sure you optimize all of your possible pay per clicks on these Google guaranteed ads. Obviously, there's other ads out there as well, but as you guys seem to know better than I do, that you need to be at the top, which is phenomenal that you guys are already here. You guys are killing it on your reviews. Definitely keep up on that. Don't be slacking on reviews. And make sure that at all times, even your Google My Business page is optimized to the maximum. We want all of these pictures in here to be saved as keywords as well. We want to be adding the citations to this so that way we're constantly staying at the top. With that being said, those are a few of the tricks up my sleeve for you guys. I wanted to share it to you, showing you how you can continually stay at the top of the #1 rankings on Google as the #1 electrician in Kansas City, Missouri area. With that being said, guys, thank you for your time. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to reach back out to me. All of my contact information will be at the bottom of my email as this is sent over through. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.